Which one do you like more?
Neither.
You be there?
What,
How about you,
go on?
hillbilly?
Yeah, I'll be there next Friday.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It has been some time since we have been on YouTube, but we're back. We've got a lot of things going on, a lot of things happening. We figured we'd film this. So the old man struck a deal. Can't really say it was much of a deal because it was free. We ended up getting 2 free cargo vans. So here's the first one, 2011 Ford E250. Very nice, actually, van. And then a 2014 Ram 1500 ProMaster. Now, one of the distributors we work with here in the local area just wanted these gone. So we said we would take them. And plus, it gives us a perfect reason to come and use our new 30-foot gooseneck trailer. We'll do a whole video on this so you guys can kind of get the rundown on this trailer. Awesome. Thank you, Scotty, for setting this up for us and getting, you know, kind of helping us with the deal on this one. So first real load with this. We got the Ford running. The Ford has the 5.4 motor in it, so definitely a strong, reliable motor. Inside of the van looks fantastic. I mean, clean as can be. This is just surface rust down here, and you know anything with these vans that they rust out quick down here. And being an Ohio van, actually not that bad. Inside looks great. We'll have to pull out that back panel because we won't need that anymore. It's just going to be a parts runner. This van does have about 200,000 miles, so a little bit of miles on it, but it runs. And for a free vehicle, you really can't complain. The Ram, we're still working on this one. This one needs a little bit of loving. Got the old man up here trying to pull out the battery. Which one do you like more?
Neither.
He is excited because he got himself some free vans. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys down. Like I said, welcome back to the channel. Let's see if we can get these puppies loaded up and give you guys some action for this beautiful 20-degree Saturday morning. So while Dave and the old man work on getting the battery put in the Dodge, I figured I'd give you just a high level on this trailer. This trailer is a 2022 Coyote manufacturing trailer located down in Leesburg, Ohio. We bought it through a good buddy of ours that hooked us up. He's a dealer for him. So if you guys have any questions on him, let us know. Very strong trailer. Price was right on this thing, I will say. So if you got any information, I'll send it to you guys. They are 10,000 pound axles, 24,000. I think this is a gross vehicle weight trailer, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so it's gonna be very versatile for what we'll be doing with it. This trailer, the main reason we went after it is because it's got the dovetail. So it's got a full dovetail system with the pump, battery, which we will probably be changing out with an interstate battery, as well as putting a trickle charger on this one so we can keep it, when we keep the trailer stored indoors, we can always keep it charged. And we're probably gonna change this out with a nice aluminum one. But 20 foot of deck space, 10 foot of dove, 2 big master cylinders down there that power it. It comes all the way down, and it's got these integrated ramps, you know, kind of pleats put in here. But it's a nice trailer. I mean, absolutely beautiful trailer. Dual tandems, Dexter axles. One thing that we are missing that we will be putting on this trailer is the hydraulic jacks that go up and down. We've turned this one too many times, and yeah, call me a baby, but you know what? I just want to put a hydraulic on there and make life a lot easier. So there's a kind of high level on this trailer. If you guys have any interest in something like this, you know, we've been looking for a trailer for a while. Of course, we started looking during the shortage of everything. Couldn't find one. My buddy called me, said that they got a pre-order on this one. Came in, and you know, a matter of a few weeks, we had the deal done and we were picking it up. So if you guys are struggling to find one or have any interest, drop drop a comment down below and I'll shoot over his information. You guys can give him a call. But these all are made locally down here in Leesburg, Ohio. That's why we bought it. Any problems we have, any warranty issues, we'll just take it right down to the dealer and they'll service it there. So we just fired up the Dodge. That started right on up. What's it saying on the dash, Dave?
194,000.
It says that it's a POS. January 1st, 2014. That ain't right. All right. Well, it's gonna need a lot of work. Oh, we got it fired up. Trying to get the hood open. We came out here last time, it was nice and easy to do this. Not now.
This is the way we do it.
Is there any coolant in it? No.
Well, that's good. Back to AutoZone we go. Oh yeah, see if it'll move. Power steering, tires turn.
Holy crap, look at that.
So you popped the hood, we found out it had absolutely no radiator fluid in it, so went to the AutoZone, got some radiator fluid, brake fluid was low, power steering fluid was low, but God only knows how long it's been sitting. So
I don't know. Well, I mean, if it was a sign that all of them were empty, maybe that could rest, you know, we're thinking maybe it has a blown head gasket, but it's not bubbling too bad.
No, not right now. We'll see when it warms up a little bit, but you know, probably just a sign of sitting for forever. So all good.
Dave, get in it, take it around a little bit, see what you do. Yeah. The mini hood. Those brakes, wait till you hear the brakes back there.
Probably wore out.
You look like an Amazon delivery driver.
I think we're gonna need some brakes.
Now you gonna drive that? That gonna be your new car?
That's a new car.
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely think we need some breakage.
It doesn't sound too good.
It actually rolls.
I know.
And it stops.
Ish.
Kinda.
It's been sitting too long.
Yeah.
How long have those been sitting, Pass? About a year.
Does it have any gas in it?
Not much. It's almost empty.
Rides like a van.
Drive pretty good.
You wanna get in there and drive your new baby?
Is this the fuel to him?
Yeah, I got the piece for that. All right, Pappy, flip her around.
I know you've been fixing to get
Around
in.
here, Pappy.
My turn.
No, you've been fixing to get in there. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this dovetail down and see if we can get this loaded. First thing you want to do is bring her up a little bit. So we brought the back end up, pull the pin. Well, maybe not. Pull the lever a little bit, pull the pin out, and then this. Ah, jeez. That drops down. Pull the pin and drop that down. Drops those hangers. Then just bring her down. You think we'll get it loaded up?
Stay straight.
I would put the emergency brake on, but I'm just going to step on the brake.
So you guys watch us get this on there. Definitely a little sketchy. What do you think, Pep?
Yep. Well, it looks good.
Yeah. dovetail was a major help. We just, because a little icy, we got it on the first cleat here and then just picked it right on up. So Dave is going to back this up so the tire is perfect right on the back axle here. Weight's kind of leveled out. There's all the weight on these vans. Weight right here. Oh, that fan's already kicked on. That's not a good sign. Come on. Right there. Let it roll. Let it roll right off.
Got some brake issues, that's for damn sure.
Let's bring it up.
That's fine.
Does that have a parking brake on it or no?
Argo's too big.
I wouldn't hit it.
I don't know. Not with how. Yeah.
Yeah. I'd pull the keys out of the ignition, just throw them on the seat.
So we got it all loaded. Don't call DOT on us. We're just moving it a little bit down the way. You guys have the camera or is it dead?
Right there. It's going. Recording.
It's got no mirrors.
Put the dovetail down.
Well, he's gonna
Back it on there and then put it down.
should have blocked like the block tire.
Here.
Hold on. It's not really straight. Turn the wheel down a little bit. Which way? Like this. Out of the way. Yeah? Yep. Alright. How many more? Just got one more. Alright, there. That's good. Is that good?
You gotta take your locks off here. Your locks.
Yeah. Good. Good. Go ahead, let it roll.
Okay, front.
You're good, yep.
Yep. Straight back. All right, drop it down more. Alright, drop it down. Keep going. Get the more from this one.
It looked like the contract.
It's gonna be around Friday.
What do you think, Pat?
Next Friday?
Yeah, this coming Friday.
Why?
Your dad, me's going out for my birthday.
Oh.
And you too.
Yeah, I'll be there.
You'll be there?
What,
How about
go
you,
out?
hillbillies?
Yeah, I'll be there next Friday. Alright guys, this will be a wrap for this video. See, we got these two jalopies here. They're free, so we'll see what we'll be able to do with them. We'll fix them up, get them running, get them roadworthy. But right now it's a little sketchy. We're not driving them on the road. The tires have about nothing left on them.
Yeah,
so
these tires are bad. These are like dry rotted. I don't know how you guys can see, but I'm glad we did take the trailer to tow them.
We'll find out. I don't know, some China special tires to put on it. And we got to put an alternator in this one and just give them a Craigslist cleanup and get a Craigslist motor rebuild on these puppies. But yeah, that's about it. Silence, yeah, like usual. Alright. Okay.
Okay.
So I don't really know how to do these outros anymore. It's been a while, but we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. So we'll catch you in the next one.